Hi everyone, welcome back to A207 Data Communications and Networking. We are now at Chapter 5, and in this chapter we discuss IPv6. My name is Nuruddin, and with me is our A207 student Matthew Tan.
Hi guys.
Every networked device from routers to servers to data-enabled handphones will require an internet connection. This connection is established through being assigned an IP address. Currently, IPv4 is the standard IP address convention in use, but it is fast being overtaken by IPv6. IPv6 is a new protocol designed to replace the aging IPv4, which is fast running out of usable IP address space. So the main reason for the switch to IPv6 will be for larger companies and government organizations who have a large number of staff and internet-connected devices. The main reason for migration from IPv4 to IPv6 is the small size of the address space in IPv4. In this section, we show how the huge address space of IPv6 prevents address depletion in the future. We also discuss how the new addressing responds to some of the problems in IPv4. A normal IPv4 address could reach xx.255.255.255. That's 3 usable segments from 0 to 255. On the other side, IPv6 promises a maximum of FFFF per segment with 8 octets. The last segment alone gives 6 5535 address spaces. Factor in the other 7 octets and the total number of permutations possible, and it is clear that IPv6 truly has a huge space increase over IPv4. The address space of IPv6 contains 2 to the power of 128 addresses. This address space is 2 to the power of 96 times the IPv4 addresses. Definitely no address depletion. That series of numbers you see below is not the code, it is actually the entire number of address spaces in IPv6. One of the interesting features of IPv6 addressing is the auto-configuration of hosts. In IPv6, DHCP protocol can still be used to allocate an IPv6 address to a host, but a host can also configure itself. To allow sites to change the service provider, renumbering of the address prefix was built into IPv6 addressing. In other words, during the transition period, a site has 2 prefixes.
So how does that change things?
For companies, changing an ISP typically means a forced change of all external facing IP addresses, which was costly and time consuming. With IPv6, transitioning is much easier. Summary: personal internet device usage has grown exponentially across the globe, and each person now has access to multiple networked devices at once. Handphones, pads, and laptops could easily give a person 3 IP addresses at once. Factoring in greater computer take-up globally, and a situation where China is only starting to embrace the internet, the present IPv4 structure is inadequate. IPv6 is the new protocol. With its significantly larger address space, this allows countries and companies to future-proof their next steps into the internet world. This ends our discussion on IPv6. Remember to post any questions onto Google Classroom. Work hard, work smart, work your way to your dreams.